everyone, I'm Lenka. I'm the one behind the Happy Heartsy, and today I want to show you how to crochet crossed double crochet stitch. So in this tutorial I add one row. It's the single crochet row between the crossed double crochet row. So this is also optional. I mentioned it in the tutorial, so it's up to you if you want to add that row between or not. Of course, if not, then it will give you a little bit different texture, but the main goal of this tutorial is to teach you how to do that crossed double crochet. So it's actually out of the basic stitch. If you don't know, just feel free to see the link in the description where I attached the link how to crochet the basic stitches, where you will learn how to do the single crochet, how double crochet and double crochet. And if you know those stitches, it's perfect. You can also see another link in the description where I have full written pattern and photo tutorial for this stitch. So if you're more like a if you're not that visual learner, you can just go there and see the additional steps or different version of this tutorial. So that's everything what you need to know for now, and now let's get started with the stitch. Alright guys, and for the cross double crochet stitch, we start with any odd number of the foundation chains. And for this tutorial I made 25 foundation chains, and the first row, let's start with the single crochet row. So we're gonna skip that chain 1 and insert the hook into the second chain from the hook, so we don't count the loop on our hook as a first chain but whatever is below, so it's 1, 2. Also, it's just a little detail, and I'll always keep mentioning that. So some crocheters, they just insert the hook into that V shape when you see the top of the foundation chain, and then they make the stitch. I rather do it in the back of it. So when you see the V shape from the top and you turn the foundation chain, you can see the bumps, and one bump is the one chain. So I rather insert the hook right there. It's just that it makes like a cleaner, like a bottom edge of the project. So this is just a minor detail. You can give it a try, or you can do whatever you prefer. So there's no like a right or wrong version of it. So like I mentioned, let's start with the single crochet. So into the second chain from the hook, we insert the hook, yarn over, pull up the loop. We have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull up the loop through 2 loops. This is your first single crochet, and now you repeat single crochet all across through each chain until the end of the foundation chain, and then we're gonna start the second row with our crossed double crochet stitch. Okay, and now I'm at the end of my first single crochet row. We should have even number of the stitches. And now when you're at the end, make chain 2. And those chain 2 counts as a first stitch for the next row, and it's like a first single crochet, first single double crochet. So now let's start with the cross double crochet stitch. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna skip the next stitch, which is this one, and insert the hook into the next one where we're gonna make our first double crochet. Now we have to go back into that skipped stitch that we just made, which is right here. We do yarn over and insert the hook into that stitch. So that's what we're gonna make, that cross double crochet. You can also pull up the loop a little bit more. So you just finish your double crochet as you know. And this is our first cross double crochet stitch. This is what you continue basically for the entire pattern. So now again we do have to do yarn over. We will skip the next stitch and make our next double crochet into the next one. And then we go back, we make our double crochet into that skipped stitch. Let me show you one more time. So we're gonna skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the next one and make our double crochet. And now we make our double crochet back into that skipped stitch that we just made and make our double crochet. So now you can see how the texture of this stitch just popping up. So this is what you repeat until the end of the row, and once you're at the end, you will just make your last double crochet, only one single double crochet into the last stitch. So let's continue and I'll be right back. Alright, so now I'm at the end and I have my last stitch left. So this is where I'm gonna make just the one regular double crochet, and my second row is done. So it looks like this. So now you can see the texture. Now of course it's up to you, because every stitch can be like modified. I rather do it like a one single crochet row between between the crossed double crochet. But if you'd like, you can always continue like right away with your crossed double crochet of the third row. So in that case you would have to make chain 2, turn the project, and then you would like repeat exactly the second row. Or you can do just the chain 1, turn the project, and then you can just make single crochet row all across, single crochet stitches all across until the end of the row, and then at the end you will just make chain 2 and repeat the crossed double crochet row. So now it's up to you, whatever also like whatever look you prefer. So whatever you see in this tutorial, there is one single crochet row between. So don't forget to make your last stitch into that top second chain. And this is my last single crochet. Now I do chain 2, turn the project, and now I'm gonna start with my crossed double crochet. So again, how we start the row, we repeat the row 2. So we skip the second stitch and insert the hook into the third one, make our double crochet, yarn over, we go back into that skipped stitch. This is where we're gonna make our double crochet, and this is what you repeat for the entire pattern. So now let me make a few more rows so you can see the texture of this stitch a little bit more. And either or, like, it doesn't matter what version you choose, if you do your single crochet row between or not. So yeah, let me finish the few more rows and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I made a few more rows, so now you can see the texture more clearly. I added the single crochet row between, so this is the look of it. I'm sure that it would look a little bit different if you wouldn't add that one single crochet row, but you know the basics, how to do the crochet, the crossed double crochet. So that was the main goal of this tutorial. So feel free to subscribe my channel for more crochet tutorials. You can also share, like, comment, give me any feedback. I really appreciate anything. It means a lot to me. So again, thank you so much for watching and happy crocheting.